Morning, this is your science lesson. Take out your science books and open up page number 2. Today is Monday. Write classwork. The date is August 24, 2020. Our unit name is the human body. Before we read the unit, we will recall some points which we have read in level 1. Number 1, put your finger here. There are names for all the parts of your body. You all know some parts of your body which you can see. When you are in level 1, you have read some parts of your body which you can see, like eyes, nose, lips, tongue, hands, right? But in this unit you will learn the parts of your body which you cannot see, like brain, heart, right? Number 2 point is people look different from each other. Every person have his own shape, right? Some people are long, some people are short, some are fat, some are thin, right? Number 3 point is all living things grow. You know living things can grow, but non-living things cannot. Children grow into adults. Children grow into adults. Children बड़े होकर क्या होते हैं? Adults बन जाते हैं, यानी big men and women. We need food to grow. We can move in different ways. You know, living things can move everywhere, right? We use different parts of our body to sense the world around us. We use our different parts of body to sense the world around us. Like we can see with our eyes. We can smell with our nose, yes. And you know, every part of our body help us, right? Yes. In this unit, we will study that parts of our body which cannot see, right? Now read with me. Human body varies in size and shape. Human body varies in size and shape. What is the meaning of varies? Varies mean different. Every body has different in size and shape. People can be tall or short, weak or strong. Some people are tall, some are short, some are weak and some are strong. But all human beings have similar body parts. But all human beings have similar body parts. Similar means, underline the word similar. Similar means same. Underline the word similar and write its meaning same. Now they are saying human bodies साइज और शेप में डिफरेंट होते हैं. लाइक पीपल टॉल और शॉर्ट हो सकते हैं, वीक और स्ट्रॉन्ग हो सकते हैं. लेकिन ऑल ह्यूमन बींग्स यानी तमाम इंसान सेम बॉडी पार्ट्स रखते हैं. लाइक हर एक के हैंड्स होते हैं, हर एक के आइज़ होती हैं, तो 2 आइज़ होंगी, नोज़ 1, legs 2, right? All human beings have same body parts. Our bodies have many parts. Our bodies have many parts. Number 1, we will read about bones. Underline the word bones. First, we will talk about bones. The bones of your body make up your skeleton. Underline the word skeleton. Now we will discuss about bones. Bones give body its shape. Bones होती हैं जो हमारी बॉडी को एक शेप देती हैं. If you have no bones, there will no body shape, right? A skeleton helps us to stand upright and gives shape to the body. Skeleton. This is skeleton. Every body has a skeleton and skeleton help us to stand. Skeleton हमें सीधा खड़ा होने में मदद देता है and gives shape to the body. Skeleton हमारी बॉडी को एक शेप देता है right? Every time we walk, sit on a chair or bend, we are using our bones. Every time we walk, sit on a chair or bend. Bend, underline the word bend. We are using our bones. Bones need help of muscle and joints in order to be able to move. Bones को muscles की ज़रूरत होती है walk करने के लिए, right? और move करने के लिए. When we become an adult, we have 206 bones in our body. An adult has 206 bones in our body. An adult के body में कितनी bones होती हैं? 206. Yes. Now this is picture of a skeleton. This is skull. This is jawbone. This is upper arm bone. This is ribs. This is spine. This is hip bone, lower arm bones, finger bones, thigh bone, knee cap, toe bones. They are talking about different bones which we have inside our body. We are talking about inner part of our body. Now they are saying, do you remember? Men and women, boys or girls are called human beings. Human beings हम किनको कहते हैं? Men and women, boys and all human beings have similar body parts, but we look, think and behave differently from each other. All human beings have similar parts of body like hands, stomach, heart, but we look different, we think different, we behave different with each other. We will only read page number 2 and this is your homework. Read page number 2 at home. Thank you.